and he on the ground staring up at the sky. Breath running short and time standing still. A doubt deep inside screaming quietly. What if this is how it ends? 11 wounds carved into his chest, a heart that refuses to give in. The track keeps on calling his name, but the body no longer knows how to answer. And when the darkness takes you by the hand and everything feels already lost, who do you call? Tell me, who do you call when you have nothing left? And beyond the curve, there's still a life. Even when the world comes crashing down, there's a hand you never would have expected that lifts you up from the deepest ground. It's not a battle, it's not a rivalry. It's something that goes farther than that. Because sometimes the truest champion is the one who saves you without knowing that. You don't call a friend, you don't call a brother, but the one you face every Sunday on track. A voice coming through from the other side that doesn't hesitate, doesn't look back. It says, just breathe now, get back on your feet. I know exactly what it feels like there, 'cause those who have the pain in the eye can recognize someone who's been where they were. And in the silence between two destinies, something is born that will never die. You don't always need to win to leave something behind for all time. And beyond the curve, there's still a life. Even when the world comes crashing down, there's a hand you never would have expected that lifts you up from the deepest ground. It's not a battle, it's not a rivalry. It's something that goes farther than that. Because sometimes the truest champion is the one who saves you without knowing that.